would get, he'd just get a bag of salt at the end of the week. Selling. See, because this soul, this is gold. The sun, Sol Invictus, solar, S-O-L-A-R, solar. This Sol Invictus, the unconquerable soul, this is where all souls come from, these holes. These are wormholes. But they are whole. They lack nothing. And they are holy. They also have halos called auras, which are really Taurus. So this is a Taurus field, and you have this in your torso. Your bottom chakra has 4 petals. It's red. The top of the torso has 16 petals. It's blue. Red shift, blue shift. Here, my energy is blue, as is yours. At the bottom, at the torso, at the perineum, this is red. And the energy is flowing out of the body, earthing, red shift, right turning, centrifugal divergent. Centrifugal divergent, centripetal convergent. Fission, fusion, proton, electron, radiation, gravitation. The ratio of blue shift to red shift is 1 to 1.618, otherwise known as phi, the phi ratio, the golden section, the Fibonacci ratio, the golden mean. So this is always, red is always bigger than blue. The ratio is disproportionate, and that is how these torus fields are reciprocating precessional torus fields, which are able to, this is an atom. This is every form that exists. Let's have a look at some of these slides, shall we? And we'll have a look at what...
You're going to share?
Yep. In fact, we are looking at...
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, so that's the DNA in 12ness. There it is. That's a soul. It's the soul of the universe because it's the only form that exists. It's the only form that exists. There's a soul. See the soul in the middle, that holy hole, a wormhole. There's one as well. Hey, don't worry about the restroom.
No?
Take it off astrology.
No,
Okay.
it's too late.
I was just giving them a little preview so they can come over to Syncretism to finish.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so have a look at this one. Those little COVID balls. See the spiraling energy around the human being? We are self-luminous. Guys, I'm going to start opening the, it's the top of the hour. I feel that I've explained the basics over here. I'm going to go a bit deeper, but I want to have some audience participation and make this interactive because please keep your questions to the theme, you know, I mean, as timely as possible, please guys, because we want to exhaust this. Here's the egg that you are. Here is the egg that our solar system is. Here is the magnetic field. This is how all universes are. They are in these golden eggs. See the Christ at the top? Because Christ is light. It's a torus field. You can see a lot going on here. This is the flat earth. Here are the realms below called hell. Here are the heavenly realms up here. And here we have, I think this might be Rumi. There is a Taurus in the sky and a Taurus under the earth who holds in its place with its horn. And if you can open your third eye, you can see that the majority of them have no knowledge of it. See, so when we have scientists telling us that they don't know exactly how the universe is and where we're flying to at 650 million miles an hour, you can tell that they have opened their third eyes. This Taurus field here is very, very telling, because this one shows how there is a quadrupole or tetrapole energy exchange going on here. You can see two planes of inertia, more or less. It's like as though the
They say
pillar.
the energies aren't changing on there.
It seems that this pillar here is like a plane of inertia as well. And then, of course, we know that this plane of inertia goes through here.
They said the screen is burning.
Are you ready to take some colors?
Yeah, for sure, brother.
Okay.
So have a look at this one, folks. This is a really good one. Can they still see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. All right, I'm going to go through some slides while we wait for the first caller. Now look at where red shift and blue shift is coming from in Jesus' heart, folks. Red shift, this is the demiurge, the electrical god, El, Emmanuel. And he shall be named Emmanuel, or electricity. And he'll have a girlfriend called Magdalene. Magnetism.
Okay, I guess the screens are working now.
So this electric dude, Jupiter, Zeus, Jesus, he's the god of thunderbolts, and those thunderbolts are red shift and blue shift. And they are coming from the heart.
Okay, here we got B.
Baby?
B.
Billy.
Billy. Okay, let me go to talk to Billy. Billy!
I'm on muting.
Hello? Loud and clear, sister. Yes, loud and clear. She can't hear me.
I don't know why.
Is it because I'm muted?
Could it be?
Well, yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes, I can.
That microphone's connected to his Zoom.
Maybe.
So you can hear me now? So can you hear me now? I don't know.
Maybe she doesn't have speakers. Can you speak on that microphone? That's
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
I thought we checked the audio.
Hello? Yeah, let's get another caller maybe.
okay.
Did we check that this worked?
I don't know what happened with her.
All right, guys. So it's very beneficial to examine these roots, these root words. You'll find that in every single language, a similar root like this will appear and have all of these meanings that are interrelated. All these words share the same root.
Joanna.
Okay. Okay, caller, Joanna. Great, sister. Lovely, thank you. Yeah, that one's a tough one, sister. I wouldn't know how to answer that. In India, they would put people on a funeral pyre and cremate them.
I need to check real fast.
Yeah, and in Egypt, they would embalm them, right? So we have two very, very, very contrasting styles all around the world. This is not just it's a very, very contradictory science, the science of the afterlife and how to prepare for it. Yeah. Well, here's my opinion. I mean, I haven't learned this, and just my intuition tells me that if you're going to do it as the Indians do, burning every last remnant of the physical body, turning it into dust, I believe that's a sign that you will not return. Your soul will never be able to, well, not never, but your soul can now be fully liberated from flesh and the carnal desires, because that